Webcam News Report. One of the nation's largest state police agencies has pulled its fleet of Ford Crown Victoria cruisers off the road. New York State Police Superintendent James McMahon has ordered the cars removed from patrol duty and retrofitted with gasoline tank shields. The shields can prevent fires resulting from rear-end collisions. 2 weeks ago, a New York State trooper died after his Crown Victoria patrol car was struck from behind on the New York State Thruway in Yonkers. The decision to idle the Crown Victorias came after the union representing New York's troopers urged its members to refuse to patrol in those vehicles. At least 13 police officers nationwide have died over the past 2 decades following crashes in which their Crown Victorias caught fire.